guys, this is Arpit Verma and you're watching Arpit Verma Tech YouTube channel. In this tutorial, I will teach you that how to rotate a video if by mistaken you have shot it upside down or at different angles. So it's very simple tutorial and you would got it. It is without any app. So first of all, just go to your Google Photos and select the video which you want to rotate. So I have shot it upside down. So simply click on this menu button, click on rotate. I would save copy in this position, so just click on save copy and it would take a few seconds depending upon the size of your video, then it would be done. So let's wait for a few seconds. It is a quite big video, that is why it is taking time. Okay, till then you can subscribe my channel, like this video and hit the bell icon so that you never miss any notification. This is my first video in which I am using my face cam, so I think it's time. Yeah, so as you can see now, it is in vertical position, so you can do it in which position do you want to. So thank you for watching this tutorial once again, and like this video if you liked it. Thank you. Signing off.